You ready?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Hello up there. Okay, here I come. I'm gonna hand you some tools. Okay guys, here we are in the shower bathroom part of the split bath.
Katie's bathroom.
Oh, okay, Katie's bathroom. Anyways, what I'm doing here is I am replacing our fantastic fan. And now the reason why it's all tore apart right now is because I needed to get in there to try to find out what the issue was a couple days ago. It actually stopped working, what, maybe a month ago? And so I just kind of thought it was the motor, so I was considering on getting the motor. And Newmar, you know, definitely stood behind, it wasn't Newmar standing behind it, but Newmar was willing to work with me with Dometic, because Dometic now owns Fantastic. And they were going to work with us in order to get a new motor. Well, I did some tests with the motor, and I tore it apart actually, and tore the motor apart and made sure the brushes were fine and everything was good. It wasn't the motor. I actually hooked the motor up to another fan and power source, and it actually worked fine. It was something else, and I'll show it to you here. It was actually the circuit board. But today I am going to go ahead and replace it, and the reason why we elected not to get a new circuit board, which Dometic and Fantastic or Newmar or whoever it is would send it to us free of charge, I decided that I wanted to go with Maxxair instead, because it has a rain cover already installed on it. And here is the circuit board. Whoops, sorry. Here's the circuit board, and you can see how it melted. Yeah. And of course, that's the kind of stuff that causes fires. So I probably will be going through and replacing all of our fans with Maxxair. And that's all I'm doing, is just cutting to get to the screw, just enough. See, like this one here, you know, see if I can do it. Just cutting enough. And I am using a plastic putty knife, but just enough to get to the screw, and there it is.
Anyways, back to the task at hand, the reason we're up on the roof. David looks like he's still scraping the putty, or whatever you call that stuff. Die core. To get the screws out of the old fan. Sorry guys if I don't really have him in frame. I cannot see this screen for the life of me with the sun right behind me, so doing my best. I think I got him in there.
this out, guys. A whole bunch of fighter planes coming. There we go, guys. Here they come across the trees. A whole bunch of World War II fighters. Beige, like it was a desert fighter. So that's cool, guys, and that's just coming from right over in this area over here, which is the let me think, over in that area right over there where that mountain is, the big trees. Oops, there we go, over this way. Well, that's where the Air Force Base is, commemorative Air Force Base. Here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to snip these ends off here real quick, strip them down, and do put our little prongs on again. Now, this is for our friends over in Germany. If you're watching this, I expected, first of all, an amen to be placed in that comment section. You know who we're talking about. They're from back in Pennsylvania, good friends of ours, and they're over in Germany right now. So, comment, say hi, just say something to us, because we're giving you a shout out. I'm not going to say your names because I haven't talked to you yet about using your names, but we love you guys, miss y'all, and congratulations on that new baby. Here's what it sounds like with the Fantastic fan full bore. It has a slight little hum, like a whine. You can hear that, and you go back to the bathroom, and then this is the other one.
Yeah, I kind of like this sound better.
Yeah, it's a little bit more quieter. It's a higher, it's a deeper sound, but it's not quite, it's a whiny sound.
Nice.
So, yeah. So what do you think, babe?
I think I'm hungry.
All right, with that, we're gonna go ahead and start eating. And then I gotta get up on the roof and put the die-core on. So, what do you have to say for everybody?
Thanks for watching.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Good.
Good. Is
Life
that?
is good.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye for now.